orders arrived. So, ito na siya lahat. Binuksan ko na siya. And I wanted to share it with you guys kasi medyo matagal na din since I did like a Shopee or Lazada haul. So, let's do a quick haul of everything that I got. I'll start off with the makeup. So, these two are from Dior Beauty. So, I didn't actually buy this, but Echo got them for me and I ordered it from Shopee. So, buti na lang may nahanap ako na authentic Shopee seller. Or, no, Shopee seller that sells authentic Dior makeup. Kasi sold out siya sa Rostan's Shangri-La and sa Podium. So, I was so happy when I saw it on Shopee. I'll leave the links down below if you guys want to purchase these as well. So, basically, I got this Dior Backstage Rosy Glow na blush. I know it looks too pink. Medyo nakaka-overwhelm siya tingnan. But if you actually apply it on your cheeks, it looks natural lang. Sobrang nakaka-fresh and girly. So, I really like this one. And then, the next item that I got is their Face Glow Palette. Alam kong ma-ROI ko to guys kasi ang ganda ng shades niya. It has 4 shades, 2 highlighters, 1 blush, and a bronzer. Nung binuksan ko siya and I tried it out, I've been using this highlighter and the bronzer shade non-stop. So, alam ko talagang masusulat ko to. So, yeah, I love this so much. And your packaging is so pretty. Sobrang high quality siya. So, if you guys have been wanting to get these, this is your sign, guys. Magbabudol na kayo. Next two items are from Choo Choo Beauty. So, this is my second time purchasing from the brand. I love it because it's very natural and it's also very affordable. So, let's start off with their Beauty Bento. I've been hearing a lot of good reviews about it, kaya naisipan kong bumili na. It comes with 4 eyeshadow shades, 3 matte, and then isang shimmery. Tapos, meron din siyang blush na very natural na siyang tignan. It's super small, so perfect siya for traveling. Ganyan lang siya kaliit, guys. And then, I got their Skinny Brow Pencil in the shade Choco Brown. It's what I'm using today. I like it kasi, yun nga, manipis siya. It's skinny, it's very easy to use, and yeah, it's affordable. I think it was like less than 200 pesos. I ordered one thing from Issy & Co. It's this one. It comes as a set. So, meron siyang kasamang brow refiner. And then, this is the brow gel. So, I've been looking for an affordable brow gel kasi the one I'm using is from Benefit and it's so expensive. So, I'm so happy that I found an affordable brow gel that works really great. It's what I'm using today also. I really like it kasi it really makes my brows stay in place. Next, I got these lip sleeping masks from the brand Laneige. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, but it's a Korean brand. And I really like it. This one is in berry. Sobrang mura neto, guys. I think I got it for like 60 something. Tapos nag-sale pa siya nung 4 for like 40 pesos. So, 3 grams lang ata yung laman neto. And ayan, nagamit ko na siya. Next two items are some eye patches for my under eye. So, na-realize ko wala akong any skincare for my under eye. And of course, di naman natin mapipigilan or maiiwasan na matulog ng late at times. So, I really needed this and I was excited to try it out. And surprisingly, I really enjoyed it. So, mas nagustuhan ko yung aloe vera. Less than 100 pesos lang to, guys. And it also comes with 92% collagen. It felt so hydrating and calming lang. So, ayan. The other one is this pink one from the brand Labena. It's my first time to hear about the brand, but I think they're known for their eye patches kasi pag tinignan niyo siya sa Shopee, sobrang daming sold. But of course, kinuha ko yung pink kasi favorite color ko siya. Last beauty item that I am going to be showing you for this haul is the Lux Organics Aqua Daily Sunscreen. So, alam niyo na to, napakita ko na to ilang times sa vlog. I just bought a new one kasi ubos na yung last bottle ko. Okay, now let's move on to the fashion stuff that I got. So, I'll start off with these nipple tapes, of course, for our Hulbadera outfits. So, I got these ones. Are super affordable. Wala nga lang siya lalagyanan. But, sobrang mura niya, guys. So, ilagay niyo lang siya sa pouch niyo. It is reusable. It was like less than 50 pesos. And, sobrang sticky niya. Okay talaga siya. If you guys need new nipple covers. If you guys need new nipple covers, link down below. Next is, I got this top. So, perfect. Magagamit ko yung nipple cover ko dito. It's just basically this kind of like halter top. It's very summery, as you guys can see sa print. It's so cute. I am gonna be wearing this in my next beach trip. The quality is really nice. It's just one size since you have to tie it lang naman. So, ayan. And then another clothing that I'm gonna be wearing to our next beach trip is just this wrap skirt. sobrang like kakaiba yung print niya. I don't usually go for super printed clothing, but then, you know, since we're going to the beach, para lang maiba. So, I'm planning to wear this with like a neutral bikini top. Ganyan, sobrang cute niya lang. I got 2 sunglasses from Shopee. So, first is this black one. If you guys are following me on Instagram, then nakita nyo na to. But it's basically a dupe of Heart Evangelista's YSL shades na nag-trending. That one is like 20,000 plus. This one, guys, costs less than 100 pesos. Isn't it so sleek? It looks so nice. As in, okay, this next one is a brown one. And malaking frame niya. If you guys didn't know, mahilig ako sa malalaking frame na shades. Kasi wala, feel ko bagay siya sa akin. And I really like it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this sa next beach trip. And I'm probably gonna get other colors because I really like it. It was also like 100 pesos or less than lang. Basta, mura lang to, guys. Okay, next naman are phone cases. I just got 2. So, the first one is this clear one that has some pearl and butterfly details. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is so cute. It's very minimalist, very girly. And then, this next one that I got is just a plain biodegradable case. So, parang wheat siya. If you guys look at it closely. And I just got it in this aqua or like teal color. So, ayan. Next item, I've already showed this on my TikTok and my Instagram, but I love this one. This is my recent like Shopee favorite purchase because it is so affordable and it's very functional. As in, guys, it's this travel makeup pouch and it can store so much of your makeup and skincare products. So, it comes with 4 pouches. Meron siyang dalawang malaking size, tapos dalawang maliit. So, it's also detachable. So, look. Ayan. So, let's say if you want to use this one lang, pwede. So, very versatile siya. I really like this one. It was like 100 plus pesos. And it comes in so many colors. Last few items are all for my dog, Cookie. So, I got her some stuff. So, first is diapers. Kasi magta-travel kami soon. So, it's gonna be quite a long car ride. So, perfect to sa kanya. And pag umaalis, I got her yung size na small. So, hindi pa namin siya nagagamit. So, hopefully, she'll feel comfortable with this. I will just update you guys on Instagram kung okay siya. Next, I got tear stain remover. Daily routine namin to ni Cookie. Everyday ko siya tinatanggalan ng tear stain para hindi siya magbuo. So, dati wipes yung ginagamit ko, pero I saw this on Shopee and then I decided to get it kasi mas matipid siya kasi maliit lang siya, guys. And it's really meant for pets. Actually, not just dogs. Pwede din kung may cats kayo, ganyan, okay to. And this one was like 100 plus lang. It comes with 120 pads ata. Last 2 items for Cookie are these super cute outfits. So, these are like less than 100 pesos lang. And manipis siya, guys. So, I really bought these because it's summer na I don't want my dog to suffer and wear makapal clothes just to look cute. So, if I could find something na manipis naman and cute pa rin, ayan. Ito yung mga in-order ko. So, yeah, that is pretty much today's haul. If you guys are interested or you want to purchase anything that I mentioned, you guys know the drill. Links are down below.
You are, yeah. You could be the one.
So weird. It tastes so weird.
No, it's just different. It's just new.
Yeah, mine's like
Because they toasted the bread before you put ice cream.
mine's like the ice cream is okay, but yeah, the bread's kind of weird. So now we're walking to Echo and Berry. They're at the DJ store.
Let's show them when
Yeah,
they're there.
we'll show you guys when we get there. Because Lena's boyfriend's gonna be a DJ now. Influence of Echo. So
I
yeah.
was gonna teach them how to DJ. We're with DJs.
DJs. Update them. So like, what is Perry gonna buy?
Perry
Ganon.
is about to buy a DDJ 400. He tried out my set a few days ago. It's a DDJ 800. He really enjoyed mixing and spinning, so now he wants to try it for himself. And after 3 months, he will sell it to our other DJ friend, who's also really, really, really abysmal with his skills.
Perry, what can you say?
I can say that this might not be that worth it
500.
if I don't play with it. But it's okay. Charge the experience.